Do you want to see if Datta.ng pays you? So it's a platform that is been trending for like a few days, which says that if you connect your MTN, Airtel or Grow SIM, they will give you one gig data. Alright, so they said you will earn free data and no strings attached. Data is expensive, you all know that. Free 1 GB data isn't bad for you. Okay, so they said they are offering free 1 GB data, and I want you guys to know some things before you join into this platform, before you start biting your nails a few moments after you join this. Alright, okay, so first of all, let's look at their privacy and policy. All of this information seems AI generated, but go back to this disclaimer. You understand that out of the data gifted to your phone number, at least 1 GB or slightly more will be left for you, while the remaining balance should be shared among other participants in the community who are on the wait list for free data. So from this sentence, all your data that you have in your SIM, all the data you have in your SIM, they'll use them to do giveaway for people. Sorry for using broken English, but you'll use it to do giveaway to people. That's giveaway to other people on the waiting list, and then they'll leave for you 1 GB. Alright, then also you agree not to exploit, abuse, or attempt to manipulate the system, and you acknowledge that if you exhaust the portion of data reserved for your use, you may be debited for the full amount of data initially gifted. Alright, so all of these things, you don't need to read all of these things. Let us go into the main deal. Number one issue: when you connect your number to it. Let me connect mine now. I'll show you guys. Wait one, right? Just give it a moment. Okay, let's give it a moment. As you can see, they said they have sent an OTP to my number. I'm just wait. As you can see, Datta.ng sent me an OTP using my MTN. Do you guys see what I'm talking about here? They are using my MTN app to send a message to me. Are they not supposed to use, if from these sites they are using as their SMS sender, they're supposed to put in Datta.ng, but they are using my MTN-ng. I know my MTN-ng, there's a place where you can implement their API. Those parts is coding stuff, so I'm not going to go that deep. But as you can see here, it is the same my MTN we all use, the same my MTN that sends messages for MTN app is the same number they are using. So if you put this OTP into this place and you click on you confirm everything, know that they are going to give you, they are just giving them tickets to free to use your SIM. Let's move to the second issue. When you give them access to the platform, you are giving them free tickets to use your SIM. Why? They will use your SIM to borrow. They will borrow airtime and send it to their numbers. They will send out your data. Any data you charge, they will send it. You don't have data remaining there. The way MTN is removing your data now, if you connect to this platform, you start crying well, because this platform will be doing times 3 worst of what MTN does to us. You know, MTN on the usual, they usually to data doesn't usually stay. This one to ensure that you don't even see the data at all. Alright, so please know that do not connect your number to this site. It is a scam, a very big scam. It's a very big scam, and I will encourage you guys to always make a research for any update you want to join. Ensure to research it, or don't follow any screenshot on anywhere. I can go and buy 100, I can go and buy 11 GB now and just show the screenshot here and say that this platform paid 11 GB. So all of those things are scams, and always make your research when you want to join anything. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content like this. Our WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel is in the description box. If you want to get access to fast updates, you can join those groups. And when I see you in the next video, goodbye. Don't forget, if you want to see a new paying update, click on the right top corner.